Hi, good afternoon. I'm Russell Whitaker with ENCO. We're here at InfoComm showing the QIMERA virtual production system. It's based around the Unreal Engine, and it includes a very straightforward and accessible user interface that you see here. It consists of triggers that allow you to run a series of events that incorporate and access all aspects of a virtual production. That includes camera movement and position, the changing of graphics and assets, the ability to control lighting, and as we go through this rundown, data can be brought into the system. That data can be manually entered or can come from databases. It's designed for not only broadcasters but corporate and educational settings, and it can enhance any production. And if you are interested, contact ENCO at enco.com for more information. Thanks for visiting.